Shalom, everyone. Welcome to another episode with Bot Consulting. I am your host, Malka. Hope you have been enjoying all of the videos on this channel, and they are designed to take you from zero to one. We use scriptures so that we'll let you know that everything is created and done the biblical way. Now, today's video will be if you're broke, start here. Let's be honest. If you're broke right now, not a little tight, I mean really struggling, you want to watch this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow the tips and tricks in this video so that you can go from being broke to unbroke. So whole. Yahweh is first. The word was made flesh and dwell among us. So let's go to Proverbs 24, verses 3 and 4. And I just gonna have it summarized. Through wisdom is a house built, and by understanding it is established. So everything is done step by step. Things are built step by step. It doesn't happen overnight. Step one, stop trying to fix everything at once. Most people feel overwhelmed because they try to fix all their bills, pay off all debt, save money, and invest all at the same time. That doesn't work. Start with one thing. Start with one thing, finish that, then go on to the next. Next, step two, get immediate income. Right now, your focus shouldn't be investing, it's about cash flow. When you're broke, you want to think cash flow. Ask yourself, what can I do today to make money? Cleaning, yard work, selling items, helping someone. What can I do? Money comes from solving problems. So, your problem is you don't have money. So, solve a problem to get money. Step three, create a small gap. You don't need thousands of dollars right away. Right now, you want to start with earning $20, then go to 50, then 100, and so forth. That small gap will give you breathing room, control, and less stress. Step four, stop the bleeding. If money is constantly going out, for example, you have subscriptions. Sometimes you have some unnecessary subscriptions, or you have subscriptions that you don't even know you're paying for. Unnecessary spending, avoidable costs that you could avoid. Remove those. Stop those right now. You have to slow down. Okay? It will get perfect, but right now it's not perfect. Right now you want to start making it better until you reach perfection. Step five, build a small safety net. Before anything else, save something $50, $100, $200. This stop you from starting over every time something happens. Oh my gosh, don't you just hate that? Where it's like it's a repeated cycle. You're at zero, you got to one, now you're back at zero. And it's like, did you really leave zero? Step six, focus on stability, not wealth. Not wealth right away. Right now, you're trying to get stable, then you can build wealth. So, the goal right now for you shouldn't be becoming rich or investing big, it's stability. You want the waters to level off. Now, reflection time. If you're broke, you're not stuck forever. You just need a starting point, a simple plan, and consistent action. Don't overcomplicate it. Trust me, it's easy. Start small, stay consistent, and build from there. Glory to Yahweh, praise Yahweh. We are Bot Consulting. You can reach us at botcolabconsulting@gmail.com, www.botcolabconsulting.com, consultant at botcolabconsulting.com. Praise Yahweh. Hope you take this video, learn from it to better yourself and our nation as a whole.